Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you ClickUp versus Notion, which is better for you. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're deciding between ClickUp and Notion here, there are going to be some details you need to know here, and basically you need to refer to whether Notion or ClickUp is better for you. So first, let's go and discuss the core features. So think of ClickUp as an all-in-one powerhouse for productivity. It's built for project management, task tracking, document creation, and team communication. So if you're juggling complex workflows with large teams, then this is a great tool because it keeps everything in one place. Now, on the other hand, Notion is more about flexibility and creativity. It's perfect for both personal and team use, especially if you need a highly customizable tool for the note-taking, documentation, and organizing content. It's versatile but a bit less focused on heavy-duty project management. Now, what about their ease of use? So, ClickUp has tons of features, but honestly, it can feel overwhelming here at first. So, the interface is a lot going on, and figuring out where everything might take some time. Now, Notion, by comparison, is cleaner and easier to navigate. However, the deep customization options might seem a bit daunting when you're just starting out here, but once you're familiar with it, though, Notion is much more intuitive. Now, what about project management? Now, if you're managing big projects, then ClickUp is the better choice here. It's packed with advanced tools like Gantt chart, Kanban boards, task dependencies, and time tracking. You can really dig into detailed planning and automation. Now, Notion, on the other hand, is better for simpler projects. It's great for basic task management and collaboration, but it doesn't have the same level of product tracking features as ClickUp. Now, documentation and note-taking. So this is where Notion shines. It's built for seamlessly integrating text, images, videos, and more into a single space. Whether you're writing notes, creating wikis, or building databases, then Notion gives you the tools to do it beautifully. While ClickUp does have a document editor and supports embedded content, it's more task-oriented and doesn't offer the same depth of flexibility as Notion. Now, what about the pricing here? So both tools are affordable, but the breakdown looks something or similar to this one. So ClickUp, it has a free plan here, but with limited features. If you need more, paid plan starts around like $7, if I'm not mistaken, per user per month. Now, for Notion, also has a great free plan here. Now, if its paid plan here are cheaper, so starting at around like $4 per user per month. So making it more budget friendly for individuals or smaller teams. Now, what about their performance? So, for ClickUp, can be kind of slow to load at times, especially if you're working on large-scale projects. Now, Notion also has some lag issues, particularly with larger databases or mid-range devices. Now, you might be asking here, which one should you choose? So if you're handling complex workflows, need advanced project management features, or want all your productivity tools in one place, then ClickUp is the better choice. Just be prepared for the steeper learning curve and occasional performance hiccups. Now, if you focus on flexibility, documentation, note-taking, or simpler project management, then Notion is the way to go here. It's easier to use, highly customizable, and more affordable if you don't need those advanced features. So ultimately, it depends on what you need. Are you managing big, complex projects? Go with ClickUp. Now, if you want a sleek or versatile tool for organizing your ideas and projects, then in this case, you might want to try Notion here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.